God is saying to you today, if I say something, then it will happen. Before my son died on the cross, it was prophesied that he will rise on the third day. The people who knew him as the Son of God even did not believe that he would rise again from that, even when they knew about the prophecy. But it happened as I said. They were all surprised by seeing him alive. Remember that he had a purpose and he was obedient to me and helped me accomplish my plan to save the whole world. Similarly, you have a purpose in this world. I have sent you to this world for a purpose. No matter what is happening in your life, it is all a plan to accomplish those purposes. There is always a resurrection to all the things that you are facing in your life. When others see and think and talk about what is happening or why it is happening in your life, do not give your heart to them. Instead, believe what I said. I told you I will bless you. Remember, then I will do it. They all will be surprised by seeing the blessing that you are going to get, and also by seeing the blessing that they are going to get through you. Have faith in me. I will bless you. You are chosen by me. This is why you are always known as my child. Thank you.